Hey there, Sammy.
Pero ¿sabes qué? Lo que pasa es que yo no creía eso. Y son los vientos, ahorita los vientos fuertísimos.
Nice. Nice, Sammy. Good try, Sammy.
Let's go, Ray. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Marcaron
Anthony White.
saque de banda.
Anthony
White.
Hey, move it.
Mark up, Ray. Let's go.
Hurry up. Go. He's open, wide open. Yes, nice, guys. Good pass, Sebastian.
Tucker. Go.
They are there.
Yeah. They're with Mom.
They were in the, in the shadow.
Okay.
See who I lost my kid, my child.
Because I think
Remember, I'm always looking around. Where are they?
Get close. You hear me?
Son traviesos.
Yeah.
they're doing it.
Hustle up, man. You gotta hustle.
When they're quiet, it's dangerous.
Oh, it's very dangerous.
Good try, guys.
Move it.
Amir, eyes on him. He's fast like you.
That wing is wide open over on the other side, guys.
Come on! Tucker! Come on! It has to be fast!
Good job, Sebastian.
Like watching slow motion.
Yeah, this body is causing problems.
Go.
Come on,
Go!
Get it, Jace.
Encima.
Ah.
Come on, guys! Good pass! Go! Here we go! Come on!
Anthony!
Oh.
Get it, Tucker.
Good job, Tucker! Turn around, let's go!
Good job, Sammy.
Come. Foul ball. Foul ball.
Wrong wing.
Yeah.
Come on, Red, let's go! Let's get into it! Let's go!
Move it!
To do.
Here we go, let's get this game going, Red!
Are the red team
Yeah.
is very slowly
Yeah.
because we are sleeping.
Good, Tucker, good!
Yeah.
Go, Ash! Here we go! Centro! Gas!
Centro. Oh, is it the other way?
No sé porque no levantan la cabeza.
Turn and score. Turn and score. It's 2 in. Yeah.
Good.
Es zurdo.
Tiene que estar al
Es,
otro lado.
¿Por qué está jugando acá?
No sé.
Irving, ¿qué está tomando?
Anthony. Ahora sí, tú eres aquí. Él es zurdo.
Ahora tenemos un zurdo que está jugando en la derecha. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué Irving está tomando?
Don't lose it, man. Thank you.
¡Vamos!
Too easy.
Come on.
Four of you. Wow.
Come on, guys!
Non-stop, full speed.
Wake up, 90! Hustle,
Wake up,
hustle!
boys.
Play! Come on, Bryce.
Back. Come on, move up, let's go.
Come on.
Let's go, Red!
Show me one more.
Oh, you, Anthony. Good job, Anthony.
You're here.
Man on, man on. Nice.
Go. Go.
Center it. Yes.
Grayson!
Yeah.
Yeah! Great disposition he has.
Yeah.
Great disposition to hustle this ball.
Way to hustle, boys. Qué bien, pelado. Muy bien.
No más errores.
Come on, pay attention.
Come on, guys! Okay, better ball than this! Let's go!
Good job, Ashton.
Come on, get in there, Jay.
Come on, baby! Let's go!
Oh.
Let's go!
Ref.
Come on. Olha that. Hey, joga com vontade, disposição. Corre muito. Não precisa se poupar. Você vai descansar a tarde inteira.
Stay in the middle. Stay in the middle. That's it, I'm here. Control. Who's there to
Let's go!
Behind you, Tucker. Watch behind you.
Bryce, you are faster than these guys!
Nice. Oh. Good job, Amir. Good pass.
Good pass, good
Very
pass.
good pass.
No la estaba esperando el hombre. Come on, Red.
Yeah.
No, no, se durmió. Él estaba tomando una siesta.
Yeah. Briefing, briefing, briefing.
Ainda que você falou todas essas coisas, ainda não escutou.
No, no escuta. They don't listen, Dad. They don't listen. They born already knowing do everything, and you start to talk. Say, I know.
I can't talk to him. He looks at me like I'm gonna kill him.
Come on, Marcel.
Let's go back, Lucas. Let's go back.
Do it fast. Three guys open. Beautiful, Marcelo. Beautiful. Yeah! Nice. Good job, Sebastian. That's the way to do it. We got four up top.
Oh, Red. Offside. The third one's offside. Come on.
Don't worry about
It's offside.
He's pulling his shirt. He's getting hurt. Man, y'all.
Come on. Go down there.
He's fine. Tucker, you're all right.
Chama a bola aqui, Lucas. Pede a bola aqui, perto da linha.
Ball, Tucker, your ball. Your ball. Our ball. Our ball.
Mira, Sebastián. Mira, Lucas, solito. Mira, Lucas, solito,
No,
Sebastián, solito.
No, the number one was free. Set back, Lucas.
Go, Bryce, get in there. Let's go, guys. Work together.
Grab.
Daddy. That's the baby ball. Excited.
Yeah?
Yes.
Tucker, watch this guy over here.
where you going?
Nice.
It's your ball.
Way to go, Lucas. Okay, here we go. Nice job. Nice, Lucas. Good try, Lucas.
Much better now.
Get to him!
Bring it down.
Let's go, Red.
Come on!
All right, let's regroup. Hey, Marcelo, let's wait. Anthony's waiting right now. Let's regroup. Let's go. Wait.
Other side of him. Other side. Other side of him.
Come on, Seba. Control.
Guys, we got to settle that ball. Take control of the ball.
Come on, Bryce, get up there! Go, 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 Bryce, go, go! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Corre, hijo!
Don't stop the game.
Wow. Yeah.
Awesome.
Really good. Water break? Yes, 11 minutes. So here we are.
Maybe they'll wake up and offer some sweet water.
Yes. No, but this is the other team is not weakened in the game.
They're getting some tough play. That's good. That's excellent.
Push
They
down.
need to know that they can be pushed. They need to know that it's physical. It's not just touching that ball.
Lot of hair. More hair than me. But one thing that they must be alert. The last man of Naples is playing in the line of the box. There is no offside. Take her out of it.
They haven't called any offsides on us yet.
Yeah.
They won't. She's not watching for the offside.
Just the obvious. Just that is.
Yeah, that ref because he's playing that line over there. But she's not watching for the
But
offside.
why the other ref left?
Did he leave? Was he here?
Yeah, it was the Jamaican style in the hair. It was here. That
Come on, guys.
Come on, Red, y'all got this! All day, let's go!
Wait for him, though. Wait for him.
Go, Bryce. Get in there! Go, Bryce. Come on, buddy, come on!
There you go.
Come on, guys. Go strong. Go strong. Let's go.
Marcelo. Stand on the ball. There you go.
Alex, go.
Let's make it red. Let's go. Red. Good reading, Lucas. Good reading. Up. Everybody up. Good job. Lucas, don't
Nice,
hesitate.
Sebastián.
Fuerte, Lucas. There we go. Vamos, Lucas.
Encima, encima, Sebas. Encima.
Let's go.
Come on, Red. Let's go. Let's go, Red.
Sleeping.
Let's go.
Amir's taking the throw in. Amir. You're out of position. Amir, you're out of position.
Bryce, get in there, turn around!
good try.
Nice. Good try. Good try. Okay, let's control that ball, Anthony.
Hustle,
You gotta
Lucas,
control
hustle.
the ball.
Sweep this ball.
Nice, man. Coming. Man, coming. Go, Ash. Go, Ash. Go, Ash. Let's go. Put it up. Put it up. That's it, Sebas. That's it.
Good job, Amir.
Yeah, Ivan.
Eso.
Upside the ball. Lucas, seu amigo fez 2 gols numa bola disputada no quebra-pau. Por que você tá esperando pra você correr nas bolas? Hustle! 2 goals scored hustling while you're not hustling.
Good job, Marcelo. Way to spread out. Way to spread out.
Get it.
Come on, Bryce,
Go
you're
on,
faster
Tony.
than him. Let's go.
Nice pass, Amir. Go, Marcelo.
Let's go.
Drive, drive, drive. Yes. There you go.
Good. That's it. Come on, boys, be ready.
Con más ganas, muchachos. Con más ganas.
Em português falamos com mais raça. Raça. Gana também.
Colombia es berraquera.
Berraquera. Okay, corner kick.
Hurry up, dudes. Come on, you're running out of time.
Who will take this corner?
Sebastián, vaya marque eso.
Seba, it's corner.
Marcelo, adelante, papi. Adelante.
Lucas, outside the box. Outside the box. Run. Run.
Good try, guys. That was good try. Nice. Nice, Anthony.
Nice job.
Well done, Anthony. Way to settle that ball and control it.
Come on, Jace, do what you gotta do to get that ball.
Yeah, he plays body. That's fine. That's fine. He plays body. It's soccer, guys. This is soccer. It's like that, in worse.
Marcelo está solo, Sebastián. Marcelo está solo.
No, you take too long, Lucas. Sweet. Anthony, Seba, and
Lucas está solo.
Arnau, up. Arnau, up.
Oh, Sebastián, papi.
party boy. You're all party boys.
Sí.
Respeito pra pauta, eu tô gravando.
Good try, Marcelo.
Help here, Lucas. Help here. Pay attention.
Let's go. Get on the outside, buddy. Turn around.
Again.
Come on!
There you go.
All right, Jace.
Get up there, bro. Get it, Jace. Get it.
Nice, Amir. Way to be there.
This is the Amir that I know.
Speed, Amir.
This is the Amir that I know.
Speed.
Yeah.
Anthony, watch.
Hey, Marcelo.
Anunciou na internet. Right, be ready. Get him in and go.
Wow, amazing.
One more.
Beautiful.
One more.
Beautiful. They score?
Yeah.
Beautiful one.
Look at Tyler.
Perfect.
Non-stop.
That was a perfect goal.
All right, guys, let's finish this.
Good job.
One more. Let's go.
Okay. Lightning. No. Wake up.
Come on, you gotta wake up.
Guys. Hey. Y'all want to act like it.
Let's go.
Anthony, go back where you were.
Pressure,
Bryce,
pressure,
go,
pressure.
Bryce. Go.
Pressure, let's go.
Stay on him. Turn around and go.
Come on, help him.
Good job. Go. Come on, Red. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go! Let's go!
Go up, go up.
Lucas, spread out. Lucas, spread out. Spread out. There you go.
Spread out. Don't close to the middle.
Nice.
Come on.
Muy bien, muy bien.
Let's go, Red, let's go!
Let's go. One more, Jace, come on. One more.
Anthony, be up.
There you go.
Go, Bryce. You got it. Take it. Let's go. Come on, Alex.
Nice, Anthony. Well done.
Come on, Tucker. Don't let that ball pass you.
Come on, Lucas!
Get it, Tucker.
Come on, Lucas!
Na verdade, como era vídeo ano,
Ah, vocês vieram no varão.
That's fine. Take your time.
não, o Rafa chegou em dezembro.
Mas quando foi vocês se mudaram? Porque começou com ele começou na escola no começo do ano. Aí ele começou no começo do ano, mas ele repetiu.
Ele não repetiu, ele voltou, lembra? Ele foi porque a gente foi lá, com a gente.
Era isso que ele vai ter entrado.
Hey parents, give 2 steps back, please. You are messing up my recording.
Quase o meu tamanho. E a professora disse que já tem 8 anos, então ele é
Go, tuck, tuck.
Nice, Anthony. Nice.
já é um dos mais velhos. Come on, Arnold. Mas eu disse para a professora, eu digo, se fosse meu filho, eu não
Corner.
pode ser a sua primeira série. Passei 2 horas e meia, lição, 3 páginas.
Take a knee, guys.
Eles fazem spell test todos
Get up,
os
Jake.
dias. Ele não acertou. Aliás, acertou mas ele escreve do jeito que pronuncia. Mas todas as outras palavras
Come on. Oh my God. Your ball, Marcelo.
Get that, Marcelo.
Okay, that's it.
Isso, ela disse.
Go.
Put
Down the line,
bring
down
it,
the line.
Marcelo.
Nice. Way to go. Nice.
Foi ótimo.
Yeah, Sarah.
eu acho que se eu fosse os pais,
Okay, do it again.
fazer isso.
Come on, Red, we gotta get it up here!
Porque se ele começar a terceira série, ele tá aprendendo.
Come on, guys.
Yes, let's play. Let's play. Let's play.
Let's go. Other side, go now.
There, Marcelo, right there. Not too far back. You're close.
Sorry.
Cover it.
Come on, Jace.
Oh, man. Man, watch the throw it. Go, Marcelo. Go to your corner. Good job. Spread yourself out.
Do it again.
Nice.
Stay up here and do it again, guys.
Move up, Ash. Move up.
Back.
Move up. Move up.
Okay, Marcelo, spread out. Escúchele a gente. Pida balón, pida bola.
Marcos,
Papi, con la frente, cabezazo. Cabezazo.
Get it out!
Go, Ash! Come on, Jace, go, Jace!
Ball.
Where's the whistle?
Jace, let's go, Jace. One shot. Name on, Jace, name on.
Marcelo, marque el 11, marque el 11. Ya, marca.
They touched, the game is on.
Go get it! Go get it!
Go, Bryce, you! Get in there, Bryce, come on!
Go, Ash!
Yeah, that's it.